guys, Eid Mubarak once again. And it was such a beautiful day. After a beautiful lunch, we went outside. Let's see where we're going. Ooh, I'm so excited. Whoa. See, we're going to an ice cream shop. Look at all the flavors. And we are choosing different flavors of ice cream. So we are spending a great time outside. Aw, it's time to go home already. Oops, I forgot to tell you what we're making. We are making spicy lamb chapli kebabs. Hope you enjoy it. Mince, turmeric powder, green coriander, onion, salt, dry coriander, dark soya sauce, ginger and garlic, cumin powder, red chili flakes, gram flour, egg. Let's get started. Guys, I always try to say in our videos, put red chili and salt according to your taste. Also, we are making spicy ones, but you can make mild ones too. And you can also use green chilies if you want. Oh wow guys, they look so juicy and they'll make your Eid party fabulous. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, like, share and subscribe. Hold on, comment below and have a wonderful day. Bye! And stay spicy.